I gave you my heart.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First, before I started this video, I wanted to show you guys some stuff that I've added to the giveaway. We are so close to 500 subscribers and I'm so excited. So, it's gotten bigger. So I have this big old box now. Ta-da! And so you know that we have all of the makeup. I've showed you guys that already. I have added a dog bath and grooming brush, 2-in-1, because you know dogs have to be beautiful too. And so that's in there. And then I've also added a hooded sweatshirt, size medium, and I will be adding more to it as well. And of course you guys already know, but for people who are new here, I have this whole makeup bag filled with stuff. So share, we're almost there, 500 subscribers. I can't wait. So now that that is done, let's get into why you came to this video. Boxycharm. So Boxycharm decided to surprise us. I've been doing the spoiler videos recently, and I had only found 2 variations, and I was really excited because I'm not liking how they're doing like 42 variations. It's just crazy. So I thought there was only going to be 2. Well, Boxycharm surprised us because I have variation number 10. Yep, variation number 10. So let's just jump into it. One of the first products I got is, let's do this one first. I'm so excited about this one. The Becca Cosmetics, and this is the Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, and this retails for $39. So I did not set my makeup today because I wanted to try it with you guys. I'm so excited. I've watched like Alex and Anne, my 2 favorite YouTubers. I've watched them do this, and it is oh, look it. Isn't that a great mirror? Okay. And there's the product inside. People were saying it was coming like 1/4 full, but mine I feel like is, I mean, that's a decent amount. So let's get into it. It says, keep me close to keep me cool. Sorry, I'm trying out new lighting. Okay. I've also seen YouTubers spill half of the container on themselves taking out the stickers, so got to be extra careful. I can't even get it. It's so little. Ah, come here. There we go. Carefully. Ah, there's already a poof. Carefully. I really like how there's a screen in here. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I've seen people say that it feels like you're actually putting water on your face, but it's just powder. That's crazy to me. So, oh, my nose is pretty shiny right there. Uh-oh, hold on. Sorry. Sorry about that. Zach wanted to call to ask when the mail came. So, back to the Becca Hydra Mist. I'll put a little bit on my brush. And you just put it where you're going to set your makeup. Wow. Oh my gosh, really? It feels wet. It feels wet. How did they do this? That's a lot. Get off of there. Oh my gosh, it feels wet. My brush is not wet. What the heck? This is so fun, you guys. Be sure to let me know down in the comments if you guys got this in your box. and what you thought about it, because this is crazy. Oh, so fun. Wow. Okay, so far, favorite product by far. That is amazing. Okay. On to the next one. Where I put the lid? Okay. That's great. Okay, so that product is number 1 so far. Let's go with the next one. Wander Beauty. So I've seen this one be unboxed. This is the Glow Ahead illuminating oil, which was in my spoiler. Rebecca was as well. And I've seen people try it, and I'm not going to open it because this is also going to go into the giveaway. I just have so many face oils and stuff. I don't want to open another one and waste it. So that went into the giveaway box. That one retails for $42. Next, this was also a variation. I got the Big Ego mascara from Tarte. And in the shade black, of course. Now, this packaging, please let the camera pick it up. Please let the camera pick it up. It doesn't. Okay, you guys, this is the most neon pink I have ever seen in my whole entire life. This is blinding. Like, there is no chance that you will ever lose this mascara. This is so intensely pink, it's ridiculous. So, I'm already wearing some mascara, but we're just gonna pop it there on top. Not bad. This might be passed on to my friend Amber, but I wish the camera would pick up how much, like, it is neon pink. Neon. That is so crazy. Alright, that one retails for $23. And that will be going to Amber. Okay, next product I got Briogeo. Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. And this is for your hair. So that's why I'm wearing my hair down. I don't really like putting my hair down. It always just gets in my face. It's annoying. But I put that in, and then I put my hair in a braid. And so I did that last night, and I'm going to go and wash out my hair and see how it feels. But I basically had to use this whole bottle because really, here's my pointer finger. That's how big it is. So it's not that big. It's 2 ounces. And this retails for $16. Okay, and then this variation. I'm just like, really, Boxycharm? Really? This is the Pure Complexion Authority Pink Glitter Mask. 20 ounces. And this retails for $26. This is a Pure Cosmetics who did a collab with Barbie. So it's a glitter mask, and it's a brightening peel-off mask with licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. So, I don't know if you guys are even ready for this, but I'll put a little bit on my hand since I already have makeup on and show you guys. I don't know. I guess the theme... Oh, I didn't even tell you guys the theme. The theme is totally Boxycharm. It's all pink. So I'm wondering if this goes with the theme. But, I mean, you can't even... It's way hotter pink than this. Like, it is a hot, hot pink. Like, where did I put the mascara? Let's see if we can compare them. See, this is way dark, like way brighter, but this is like hot, hot Barbie pink. So, this is not my favorite box from Boxycharm at all, really. I mean, The Becca powder makes up for everything. Like, that was my all-time favorite product. So, I believe I totaled it up and it was 141 or something like that in the total overall price. What did you guys think? I don't know. I'm not really excited about this Boxycharm. So leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget to share this video so we can hit 500 subscribers. I love you guys all so much. I love all of your support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, you guys, in that last video, or the video you just watched, I forgot to show you guys one of the things that will be in the giveaway. So give me a second. Ta-da! This is from Corcus Kitchenware, and it's a waiter's corkscrew. Open it up really quick to show you. Okay, out. So, I don't know if you can see through the packaging. So, this will also be in the giveaway. Have a great day.